In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new workspace in Asana. Workspaces keep separate parts of your work, like different clients, teams, or businesses, completely walled off from each other, so nothing gets mixed up. Let's jump in. First, I'll click on my avatar to open the account menu. Then I'll click on Profile. Now I'll click on Edit Profile, and from there, I'll click on Account, where all of my workspace settings live. Finally, I'll click on Create New Workspace to start setting one up. This box actually comes pre-filled with some placeholder text, so first I'll clear that out completely. Now I'll type in Client Success Hub as the name for my new workspace. And there it is, ready to go. From here, I could also invite members directly, but for now I'll just click Create Workspace to finish setting it up. To recap, open your account menu, go to Profile, click Edit Profile, head to Account, click Create New Workspace, clear out the placeholder text, type your workspace name, and click Create Workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!